to 155 miles per hour. Folks, we're on the edge of a Category 5 hurricane here.
That's a big one.
Look at Michael saving the kitty. Aww.
This hurricane has me scared.
Oh my God!
So the water comes up to 3 feet. Well, by the time it does that, it's too late to evacuate. Who knows what's in this water? Chemicals, floating objects, 3 feet of water can easily float the car away. We also know there's been places that get water rises way above that, above normally from around 9 feet.
How I know that there's a hurricane coming in Florida? all the $3 wine is gone. And somebody was like, dude, forget hydration. We need alcohol.
Hurricane Ian is approaching Florida, but meanwhile at Disney World. Magic Kingdom is flooded.
Front of the lining hive. Coolers and those tables are.
Oh my God, that's the lobby. No wonder Erin wanted to move her stuff upstairs.
The lights aren't working. I see a lot of flashing going on, but that's what I'm looking at here, guys. Oh. Just give me a second here. All right, that's what we're looking at. As this thing comes roaring in, we've already lost a street sign right here. All right, you can see how that's pushed over by the power of the wind. They just start flapping around like that, and as soon as they get caught, they get blown over as a result of that.
If you've never seen a body of water before a hurricane, it's actually so scary. If you don't know, I live in Tampa, and this is what Tampa Bay looks like. There's no water. The water has literally been sucked out of the bay by the storm. So that's usually all water. We're about to get dumped on.
Did you get that? Get the video.
There's like 3 boats. No, it's 4 boats.
4 of them.
4 boats.
Holy crap.
That's why you don't go outside.